How to remove a watermark on a video using CapCut. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove a watermark. So to start, we'll have to open our CapCut application, and then in here tap on this create a project option. After that, tap on this import option so we can add a video. After that, we'll have to tap on this plus sign to add a video here. And then the easiest way for us to remove or hide the watermark, all we need to do is to select the video. After that, we'll have to go here on the scale option, and then we'll just have to drag this one or make the scale higher to hide the watermark on the video. So as you can see, if I play the video, the watermark can no longer be seen on the video. Once you're done editing, simply tap on the export option to save the edited video. So currently, that is the easiest way for us to remove a watermark on a video using CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!